Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron ulit tayong question na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains difficult round. And the question here is, the width of a rectangle is increased by 6 inches and length is decreased by 2 inches. So the resulting rectangle is a square with perimeter of 28 inches. What was the perimeter of the original rectangle? So medyo challenging tong tanong na to. Kasi we need to relate the square side sa original dimension ng rectangle. So as we all know, kung ikukumpara natin ang square sa rectangle, ang square, equivalent po ang lahat ng side lengths. So to begin with, we need to get the perimeter of the square. So ano yun? The perimeter of the square is equal to 4s. Since 4 sides naman, di ba, ang square? 4 sides ang square. Ang s, side length siya. In order for us to get the perimeter. So, para natin makuha ang s, we will take s is equal to the perimeter over 4. Ano sabi sa tanong? 28 inches po ang perimeter ng square. So, let's take 28 inches divided by 4, which is equal to 7 inches. Just like what I said earlier, isa lamang po ang side length ng square. Kaya madali na natin makuha ang original length at saka ang width ng rectangle. So, paano? So, we will take this, the original width muna tayo kasi yun ang nauna sa tanong. Ano sabi sa width? Increase. Kapag increase plus siya, plus 6 inches, that should be equal to 7. Kasi 7, di ba? 7 inches. As well as the original length. Ano sabi? Decrease by 2 inches, so minus 2. Minus 2, that will also be equal to 7. We need to transpose the least numbers sa dalawa. So basically, sa original width, mas least ang number 6. So kung ilipat natin siya rito, magiging minus 6 siya. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Mababasa ba sa camera? Basta 1. So, the original width, OW na lang ilalagay ko. OW is equal to 1. Then, since minus 2 siya, kung ililipat natin siya rito, magiging plus 2 siya. Plus 2, that will be equal to 9. Kaya, ang OL, original length natin, is equal to 9. Ayan, so since nakuha natin ang original width at saka original length niya, we will now get the formula of the perimeter of the original rectangle. So, ano yun? The perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 by the quantity of L plus W. Ayan. So, automatically, may 2 siya. Isa-substitute lang natin itong dalawa. So, let's take P is equal to 2. Ano equivalent ng original length? It's 9. The width is 1. Ayan. So, kunin muna natin itong sa loob ng parenthesis. So, it's 10. This is 2. Perimeter. Yan. So, 2 times 10. Kaya, ang perimeter of the original rectangle is 20 inches. So I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.